This is my favorite one right there. Now that is just the ball's in the left hand. You just tapping the stick one time. I mean, you tapping the X button one time. So if it's in the hand, boom, boom, boom. You could come out like that, right? Left hand. Just pull away. Tap the X button once. You pull away. And you can still do it on this side too. But this side, you got to be smooth with it because the ball is exposed, okay? That's just tapping the ball coming out X. All right. I'm going to show y'all how these work in game. So that could create a lot of space. Just a player could jump off this. He could jump seeing you do this because if you time this shot too, which is a good step back, I mean, I advise you guys to learn how to time this. Not that one. That's a good one too, but I advise you guys to learn how to time this because if you time this one and you start... I got gameplay of me timing it though. Damn, why you keep giving me layups? Wow. You learn how to time that, the players are going to have trouble guarding you. So that's one of the strongest step backs. Then the other one where I say you guys can do, and it's like kind of adds to your dribble combo, is where you go like this. So when the ball's in the left hand, you tap, right, the X button, because that's the step back button. You just tap it once and you flick this left analog stick over to the right, right? Just straight over. But you gotta always make sure, the key to keep spamming this, like to do this move like this, boom, bring it back, boom, bring it back, boom, bring it, like, and just to keep doing that is to make sure the ball's in the left hand, okay? Because if not, and you do it and it's just in the right hand, right, I could show you how the same animation look if it's in the right hand. This is how it will look. So you could do like a little walkover, little hover, and it's tough. I like it. I rock with it, but this one is like a dribble combo. You can do a little cross out of it like that. You know what I mean? Do a quick cross, boom, you got him. Oof, you just go and dunk the ball. You know what I'm saying? Nice. So that's another good one, right? Hold on. So this one right here is a more of a hop jump step back, and this is just holding it diagonal down, right? That one right there is their pro play jumper. That's the one holding diagonal down as well, but it's the certain angle that you pull back on. So let me show y'all right here. The hop out one, boom, where you do that and you jump out there. That one you have to just hold diagonal down to the right, and it's like more of a timing thing. Like you wanna, it's diagonal down. Then you have this Kevin Durant fade where he does like the little push off, and this is activates heavily on the left hand side. So if you're trying to get this animation more so, come to the left hand side and do this. This one is just fire right here. This one is like an auto green too. I love the animation on it. But just come to this side, the left hand side, and you're holding diagonal down and X, diagonal down and X. Very simple. Boom, tap X once, you're gonna go into your fade animation, right? Release point, I would say like kind of top of the head. Hold on, I was timing it goofy right there for a second. Let me get my stand back. But yeah, like kind of like the top of the head. I mean, I use set point. I don't know what everybody else uses. Right there, boom, money. Right before it gets in the front of your face, right? Then remember the right hand side. When you're doing the right hand side step backs, it gives you the more pop out Kevin Durant. That's the other diagonal down one. So remember, you have this one. This is just holding the analog stick down, and you'll get this step back. Hold the analog stick down. Very, very good, just to do little stuff with. Then you have the one where you're going across. Boom. It's the cross one. Remember I showed y'all that, going across, just straight across. Then you have the diagonal down. Oh my gosh. Come on, they gotta stop holding me. Keep going to the edge of the line. Then you have the diagonal down step back where you're gonna go like that. Boom. On the left hand side. And then here's your right hand side to the step back. It'll make you do that animation, right? Jump out, boom. And then you also have like the same thing on the right hand side. When you do the step back, boom, it'll, sometimes you'll get that little, I'm tired now so they won't do the animation. But you can see when I did the step back like this. Hold on. Ugh. So now that y'all seen the step backs, there's so much you could do out of them too, like dribble combinations, like stuff that I do. Oh, a little pump fake move right there. Tired. What? Okay, so now you guys seen these step back moves. There's so much you could do out of them. Just step backs, little it's a lot. I told y'all that move right there. You could do a pump fake. I be getting people with that all the time. Do a little snatch, do a pump fake. It's a wide open shot. Or you could just dribble. Make sure you don't do that. Like, I mean, you could do that. That's the shot I do right there. But you can make sure it's in your left hand, right? Boom. Oh, what am I doing? Make sure the ball's in your left hand. Oh, I keep letting it go to my right. I hate that little auto thing. I gotta turn that shit off. Right? Hold on. Oh, make sure it's in the left hand and you keep it. You can dribble, you can shoot out of it. Any type of little stuff that you... Everybody got different combos, so however you feel that you can use the moves really good, use it them way. Now, also, to do another step back, if the ball's in your left hand side, right, you just want to push over on the stick one time, or in the right hand side, right? Well, not the right hand side, because you'll go into that automatic animation. But if it's on the left hand side, if you're dribbling and you push the stick over, oh, never mind. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna show y'all a clip of me using these in game, showing y'all the step back is powerful. Everybody know KD step back powerful though. It's really tough. Like, just to do that step back alone, the one where I'm coming out like that. Like, come on. Oh. Hey, all right, let's get into it.
That my way. Spin this shit around. That's him.
I'm in just in case. Went to the store today. Went to gangsta out today. Seen a Zen in the case. I made my way. I made that pay. Bought me a Zen today. You say fuck my way. We not tryna be your friend. Man, I pop going overseas. Because I got me a Zen until I got me a Zen. I plugged it in again. I'm feeling plugged in. Who got the work again? Who got the script for me? I need the best script to hit the green. My Wayne, we said fuck you. We all bosses in. Everybody in the Discord, 5,000 members. We say fuck my Wayne. We scream fuck my Wayne. We making all of this pay. Winning all of the events. Winning all at the stage. Winning, shooting the green. I might take a fade. We say fuck my Wayne today. We all got a Zen. Plug it in again. Man, who got the work for me? I need all the scripts. I need everything.